Have you ever noticed that vibe coding kind of feels like spinning the wheel of chance? Feels eerily like a slot machine. I know this because I spent the past 5 years building and designing slot machines for iDream Interactive, my 9-to-5 job. And I've experienced this myself while vibe coding. It hits a lot of the same psychological triggers that we try and create in a video game. That suspense, the uncertainty, and the just little bit of hope that maybe this time it'll work. Think about the process. You type in a prompt, AI says it's thinking, and then you sit there, watching it generate code, feeling this weird anticipation. And then boom, it completes, you try it out, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Unfortunately, most of the time you're pretty disappointed, but sometimes after enough tries, it works. And that moment feels pretty amazing, almost like a jackpot.
Rocket Land.
It's almost identical to how a slot machine works. You pull the lever, watch the reel spin, you sit there in anticipation. You know it probably won't hit, but you just hope, you really hope. But then when it does hit, dopamine rush, jackpot. I think what makes vibe coding and slot machines similar is the unpredictability of it. AI is working some magic in the background, and that uncertainty keeps you engaged. And it's not even really about the result, it's more about the anticipation of what could be. If the answer happened right away, it probably wouldn't be as bad. But the fact that the AI has to think about it, you crunch tokens, create the code, and then you have to try it, it's that whole process that's addictive. Just like a slot machine, is you can get hooked in that cycle. I've noticed it myself where I'll put in a prompt and I'm just sitting there waiting. To avoid this, I've started just switching tabs and doing something else while the AI works, so that I don't just sit there glued to the screen, just wasting time. Let me know if you've experienced something similar. I'm also seeing this with AI video generation. You're just waiting for minutes and minutes and minutes until something appears. Let me know, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.